Welcome back to Innovate and Renovate. I'm Tiffany L. Hollinger, also known as #AskTiffanyH. In our last episode, we talked about adding a master bathroom and building a one-car garage. If you happen to miss that one or the previous episode, do me a favor, stop here, go back and check those two out, and then come back and join me. So people ask me, how do I do it? 3 qualities I would say. I'm very dedicated, committed, and resourceful. Nothing always go according to plan. So you have to figure a way to make things happen. So the beautiful part in doing these projects and these renovations is that you have to decide how bad you want it. You have to have gutsbutt to be able to overcome. The easy part that happens is when the hard part comes. They really are challenging, and you gotta have some gutsbutt to get through it. So the pros and cons of being a woman in this industry. Let's see, where do I start? They can be many, but it's a double-edged sword. You have contractors who don't think you know what you're talking about or don't know what you're doing. And so sometimes they'll try you. But when you talk about what you need to have done, they'll quickly figure out that you know what you're doing. The other side of that, though, you'll find that there's a lot of men who are, particularly contractors, more in this industry are men. They'll be willing to help you. They don't really see you as competition. They don't feel threatened or challenged by you. So they'll be willing to help. Now, you do have to still be careful because sometimes, of course, they want to, might be attracted to you, might try to leverage that, and you have to compartmentalize things. Business is business and personal is personal. And yes, I'm married, but sometimes people could act like they don't care. Additionally, you'll have inspectors from the municipalities come out and they're doing inspections. And if I had $1 every time, they'll say, well, where's your contractor? I'm like, you're talking to the contractor. Like, oh, you're the one who put in these cabinets? Yeah. Are you the one who installed the windows? Yeah. And so not that I think they're malicious. They are just not accustomed to women doing this and not accustomed to the women being the front of a lot of this as well. So there could be some benefits and there could be some challenges, but there is a great opportunity for women because we do have a tendency to pay high attention to detail. We want to make sure that we cross all the T's and dot all the I's. And in that, the value add is that we deliver a very high quality product. So women, come on and join. Thank you for watching, and please make sure you like, share, and comment. In addition, do me a favor, stay tuned to our next renovation. Thank you.